Hello student, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the most important part of speech, that is pronoun. Pronoun is a second part of parts of speech. It is very important in English grammar and it makes more impact in the sentence and the sentence does not look awkward. Pronoun is a word which comes in the place of the noun. In pronoun, we have to read about what is pronoun, kinds of pronouns and its example. First of all, we have to know what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a proper noun or a common noun. General pronoun takes the place of particular noun, then pronouns refers to its antecedent. A pronoun helps us avoid unnecessary repetitions in our writing and speech. So the example is that Ram is a good boy. In second sentence, he reads in class 7. It means that in the first sentence, Ram is a noun. And in the second sentence, he is a pronoun. So in the place of Ram, he is used, pronoun is used, so it makes the sentence more impact. And if we repeat the Ram in both the sentence, then the sentence does not look good. That's why pronoun is used to make the sentence more perfect. Kinds of pronoun. There are 8 kinds of pronouns. First is the personal pronoun, second is the reflexive pronoun, and the third is the emphatic pronoun, 4 is the relative pronoun, 5 is interrogative pronoun, 6 is indefinite pronoun, 7 is demonstrative pronoun, and 8, the last, is the possessive pronoun. The first we have to know about the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are the 3 kinds: first person, second person, and third person. In the first person, the words comes I, we, me, my, our, us. In second person, the word comes you, your. And in the third person come he, she, it, me, my. So the example of the personal pronoun is that this car belongs to us. Us is the personal pronoun. I own the award. That is the why are you crying? You is the second person. So after the personal pronoun, we have to know about the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is made by adding the self in the word. So here examples are given: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, yourself. The example is given: John reminded himself that he had to try harder. You are old enough to dress yourself. So, and the third is the emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronoun is also made by the using of the self, that is myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, themselves, ourself. Example: Joseph himself went to check the gate. So here in the both the pronoun, the self is used, so sometimes the confusion is there. So dear students, don't be confused. I just clear the difference between the two pronoun. In reflexive pronoun, the self is used after the verb, but in emphatic pronoun, the self is used, the pronoun self is used before the verb. So here see the sentence: John reminded himself after the verb, but here John himself went is verb before the verb. So you have to remember, just after the verb, if self is used, then it is called the reflexive pronoun. If before the verb self is used, then it is the emphatic pronoun. Now the fourth pronoun is that is the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to join sentences or clauses, and they refer back to the noun going before them. These words are who, whom, which, whose, that. The example is that this is a lady who helped me. This is the book that my brother wrote. So that and who is the example of the relative pronoun. After the relative pronoun, there is the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are the used to ask the questions. The words are what, which, whom, whatever, which, where. Here, the example is given: who is there at the door? Which is your book? So, after that, in the sixth pronoun is the an indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, first where indefinites or general person of thing. These pronouns people of in vague and general meaning identified all, any, everyone, few meaning. That is the nobody attended the meeting, something is wrong there. So indefinite pronouns are the more words, so don't be confused, students. And after that, seventh pronoun is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to demonstrate the things and the people. So in demonstrative pronoun, only four pronouns are used, that is this, that, these, those. These and that are used for singular numbers, and these and those are used for the plural number. The example is that those are my neighbor's dog, this is my bicycle. So after that, the last is the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun points out towards the owner of something. These words are he, her, his, mine, our, theirs, yours. Example: the blue hat is mine. Your is own your itself. My aunt is graphic designer. This computer is hers. So here, at last, the conclusion of the pronoun is that that pronoun is very important as the other parts of your speech. So we can't just skip pronoun. Thank you.